Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to add these inbuilt reports in Google Analytics. So you can see in my case there are so many reports, landing page reports, traffic acquisition, goal, e-commerce, search console reports, user attribution report, and so many reports. But you can see in your Google Analytics that there are less reports. So how you can get these reports? These are inbuilt reports, so easily you can get these reports. So what you have to do, you have to click on reports, and then you have to click on library, and here you can see inbuilt reports, and then click on three dots and publish it, whichever you want to. And you can see life cycle here. You can see more reports here I added. So it's very simple. It depend on your uh, what are your website goals. Accordingly you can choose your reports. So if still you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.